Hey guys, today I'm taking a look at this 150 watt, 25,000 lumen high bay UFO light. Now, what's cool about this, you're going to get your instruction manual here. I wanted to kind of talk about how it's packaged. I like this. It's nice and compact, very safe when it arrives. You're going to get some cables here to be able to hang. You also get a nice hanger. This is a nice metal hanger too, so you don't have to worry about it getting hot and breaking. And then you get the UFO light itself. Now again, what's cool about this, 150 watts, all cast aluminum design up here on the top for great heat dissipation. You can see how steep those fins are. It does have the classic cool UFO shape. Now what's cool about this too, what's special about this one I should say, is that it's dimmable. Now that's really awesome. I think you can go anywhere between 0 and 10 volts for this. And what else is cool too is you have a nice long 5-foot cable that comes with this. So let's go ahead, get a closer look, talk about some of the features, and then we'll give this a try. All right, so here's a closer look at the UFO light. You can see on the top here, it has, again, that all metal design. It's going to be great. You can see how deep these fins are right here. That's going to show you how much heat dissipation you're going to get. And what else is nice too, is that you are able to hook this up here with these two wires for the dimmer, and then you have your standard 120 volt plug. This I think is really cool because you basically can leave it plugged in and then, you know, flip the breakers like you normally would in some type of factory setting. So again, all metal hook right here, super easy to install this. There's a little screw right there that you loosen up, and then you'll be able to tighten this in. Once this is tightened in, you will tighten this screw back up, and then this is cool too, I think, is that you're able to open this up to get this through some type of pole or something like that. You can close it to make sure if there's some type of earthquake or something like this, this isn't going to dislodge and then fall and hurt somebody. Then on this side here, you can see the really cool array of how the LEDs are set up. And this is where you're going to get your 22,500 lumens out of 150 watts. I think that's absolutely cool. Super cool setup here. I like that they come in the rings, so it kind of radiates out. So another cool feature here is the settings. So when you set this up, you can have a couple tabs here that you can flip up, and this is going to switch between 150 watts, 120 watts, or 90 watts. This is going to be great for different types of setups. So if you have a really high bay, you're going to want to obviously use the bigger, more powerful one, but if you're looking for that energy savings, you can go all the way down. And then what's cool too is you can go ahead and do the I/O adjustment right there. And that's going to be an extra little feature. So let's go ahead and get this plugged in and give it a try. All right guys, you can see how it's pretty much pitch black out here. I'm going to go ahead and turn on the UFO light. So once we plug this in, you can see there how bright everything has become. And what's cool is this is on the low setting. So here's the medium, and there's the high brightness. And you can see even in this pitch black setting here, you're getting very, very bright, amazing floodlight. You can imagine how well this would work within a warehouse scenario. You can see the tree out there. It's probably about 50 feet away. Again, all these different levels, and you can see as I pan this around, you can see the effect and also how wide of a beam is cast. And if we look down here, you can see it's extremely bright in this area, and I can flip these down and then switch over to it being off. Pretty amazing how bright this thing is.